Performing liquid analysis is usually best and most easily achieved by looking sideways into your cuvette, tube or vial. The inVia Raman microscope is one of the most flexible Raman systems on the market. This means it has exceptional flexibility to analyze a range of samples. With our macro sampling kit, I'll show you how easy it is to analyze liquids. The inVia system is usually configured with a research-grade upright optical microscope. We can use an adapter to reconfigure these and to make the analysis of liquids and gases an easy process. The macro sampling kit has everything you need for this work. It is compatible with the existing microscope objectives, but is often best used with long focal length lenses to analyze a large volume of the sample. We use the MS-30 sample stage to control the position of the objective relative to the sample. The high precision and accuracy of the stage means we can get to the same point again and again. And when used with inVia microscope enclosure, this approach still retains a Class 1 laser safety. For opaque liquids and liquids within narrow tubes, we can use a long working distance objective with high magnification, such as the 50x long. The best data is collected at the container interface, and the high NA of the objective helps avoid any spectral contributions from the glass or plastic. Installed in seconds, the macro sampling kit makes the analysis of liquids and gases fast and simple.